Right when this heat wave is crippling the national capital and parts of North India, Delhi is also coincidentally, but not disconnectedly, staring at a huge water crisis, which has been on for a while, but has been hugely amplified thanks to this heat wave. Even as Delhi reels under this huge water shortage, a war of words has erupted between Delhi and Haryana. Delhi accuses Haryana of not releasing the water that is owed to it. Haryana says Delhi is simply putting politics above the people.
अगर दिल्ली में 28 लाख से ज्यादा लोग इस तरह बूंद बूंद पानी के लिए तरसते रहे, तो फिर 21 तारीख से मुझे पानी के लिए सत्याग्रह शुरू करना पड़ेगा, मजबूरी में करना पड़ेगा। और मैं 21 तारीख से अनिश्चितकालीन अनशन पर बैठूंगी जब तक दिल्ली वालों को उनके हक का पानी नहीं मिल जाता।
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में आप देखेंगे उनके समक्ष केजरीवाल सरकार ने याचिका दायर करी थी, वहां पर यह बात स्पष्ट हो गई। हिमाचल ने बोल दिया कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार झूठ बोल रही है, उनके पास कोई सरप्लस पानी नहीं है। हरियाणा जो अग्रीमेंट है 720 यूनिट का, उससे कहीं ज्यादा 1050 क्यूसेक पानी छोड़ रहा है, यानी पर्याप्त पानी छोड़ रहा है। पर आप जानते हैं कि दिल्ली में प्रोसेसिंग पावर पानी की केवल 990 एनजीडी है। तो मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ माननीय मंत्री आतिशी जी से, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी फटकार लगाते हुए आपसे पूछा था कि आपकी सरकार इलीगल टैंकर माफिया के ऑपरेशन को रोकने के लिए क्या कर रही है? कुछ नहीं। आपकी सरकार वाटर वेस्टेज को रोकने के लिए क्या कर रही है? कुछ नहीं। और जब आपकी प्रोसेसिंग पावर केवल 990 यूनिट है और हरियाणा पर्याप्त पानी छोड़ रहा है, तो ज्यादा पानी आप किसके लिए मांग रही हैं? इलीगल टैंकर माफिया के लिए।
Amit Bharadwaj is live with us from Delhi. Amit, beyond the blame game between Delhi and Haryana, which is something we see every year, what people are really interested in knowing is whether there is a solution in sight. The daily sight of water tankers being mobbed by desperate locals in different parts of Delhi, has become truly an international headline. Can you give us any sense of whether something real is being done on the ground to sort this out?
Shiv, if you look at the entire problem that the Delhi is facing right now, it's about shortage of water that is coming to the national capital. At least that's what the government has been speaking about. And they are also referring to numbers, Instead of referring to the political blame game, we will also have to look at the picture. There are only two solutions that Delhi can look at or hope for. Number one is that the water which is coming from Himachal and reaching the Delhi, that water is equivalent to what Delhi needs right now, which is nearly 150 mgd. Right now, if we go by the numbers, the production of Delhi water has actually gotten reduced further.
Yeah.
The Delhi government is saying that it has gone down by nearly 100 mgd, which means more problem for the Delhi walas. The second relief is actually praying to the gods that rainfall comes and automatically the water flow in the rivers will increase, which will mean more water coming down to the national capital, but that is not happening anytime soon, which means that the state governments of Himachal, Haryana and Delhi will have to sit together, and they will have to come to a amicable solution so that the water which is needed by the national capital is actually given. It remains a fact, Shiv, that the water production in the national capital has gone down. 100 mgd looks like a even scarier number right now, which means that nearly 25 to 28 lakh residents of Delhi are getting affected because of this situation.
Okay, Amit, thanks very much for that, because locals and citizens in Delhi and different parts affected by this water crisis are tired of bickering netas and finger pointing. They want a solution, they want accountability, and Amit and his team will continue to ask the big questions and continue to get you updates on that developing story.